Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica, and for today I have another video. This time it's gonna be an unboxing, and for this video I will have Bareminerals mystery box. This was on sale probably 2-3 weeks ago. If I'll find the information, I'll leave them down below. But before anything else, let's call the channel of the day, and this time it's gonna be Cute K. And yes, she is cute. Please go ahead and check her channel. She's a great friend, like a great supporter also. So with that being said, let's go ahead and see what's in the mystery box from Bareminerals. I don't know exactly how much is this box, but if I'll find the information, I'll leave them down below. So here is the box inside. And this one looks like this. Also, what's in here? It's a booklet. Actually, it's an envelope from Bareminerals. One of the cards says thank you. The other one is made to fit. It's an advertiser for their foundation, and of course probably here is my bill. So they have listed here everything that is in the box, and as far as I see, the total order was $52. They don't say how much was the probably $50 was the mystery box, and the rest is shipping. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. Of course, we have a lot of protection bubbles, and everything is falling apart. The first item that I see here is Bareminerals 5-in-1, which looks like this. Let's see what's this one. BB Advanced Performance Cream Eyeshadow. Okay. Full color, amazing benefits, long wear color, prime, brighten, smooth, protect. And this one is in barely nude. So let's see how this one looks. Looks like this. And I believe this one is a primer. BB Advanced Performance Cream Eyeshadow. Anyway, is this one. Here is the color. It's a nude. So this was the first item in here. Then the next one that I see, it's a brush, and this one looks like this. And this one is smoky smudge brush. Very cute, in a gold color. Which looks like this. Very small also. So this is the second item. Then we have here under over lip liner, and let's see the shade of this. This is Genus or Genus. It's a full size, and I believe this one is the color. Looks like this. And this is the shade of this one. It's a berry color, full size. Then we have another brush, and this one is soft focus face brush, which looks like this. And this is the size. So far 2 brushes in this box. Then we have this guy, which is around the clock 5 p.m. Intense Cream Glide Eyeliner, and this one is waterproof. Looks like this. here is the pencil. It's a gold shade. I broke it already. Okay, but anyway, here is the shade. It's a really pretty gold, and of course the tip is right here. It happens, especially to me. So then another item in here. This one is Statement Lux Shine lipstick, and this one is in the shade Rebound. Looks like this. Probably this one is the color, and this one looks like this. Let's swatch this. Very bold pink, kind of a Barbie pink. What else? We have more products in here. The other one is Statement Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this one is in the shade Juicy. Looks like this. Let's swatch this one too. Very bright colors for the eyeliner. For the lipstick is this one, this red right here. Nice shade. And I have more here. The next item is Ginger Sugar, and this one is, I cannot see what's this one, but I believe this one is an eyeshadow. Let me look here. Anyway, I don't know what's this one, but we'll figure it out. Probably it's an eyeshadow. If it's not an eyeshadow, I have that crayon all over my nails. If it's not an eyeshadow, probably this one is a highlighter. Looks like this. I don't know if you can see, but let's try to swatch this. Very, very bright. It's like a dark gold, but can you see the shine of this? Really, really nice. And you can see here also, very nice color. So what's that one? Lots of sparkle in that one. Then we have another full size probably, which is this one. And this one is Bareminerals Ready Bronzer. Here is the packaging. And let's see how this one looks. It says hello. And here is the shade of this. This is the Skinny Dip. And let's swatch this one too. Buildable and a very natural color, which I really like. Looks like this. It's a full size. So far I think it's a great box, and we also have a great assortment, mixed items from lipstick, eyeliners, lip liners, bronzer, eyeshadows. Then we have this cute mascara, which looks like this. And this one is called Lush Domination Volumizing Mascara. And it says here Petite Precision Brush. And yeah, this one is quite tiny, so this one will work great on the lower lashes, on the corners. Another full-size item, and then another full-size item, and I'm really impressed with this box. It's a blush, and this one is called the One. The packaging looks similar with the bronzer, and this one comes with a brush also, and here is the color. Is this one right here, and that crayon is all over my fingers, my nails. And yeah, another good another full-size item, a good item in this bag. And I'm gonna try to take away this paper, and we have here Bareminerals Performance Wear Powder Foundation. This is a sample. I don't think this one was in the box, because they're supposed to send me 3 samples. I don't know which one were those. Let's see if it's something else in the box. If not, that means this one is one of the samples. Yeah, I don't see anything else, but I see this one. So here are the shades. We're gonna put this one in the sample of the week. And we have this small bag. It's a very cute bag and very tiny, but the color of this is just gorgeous. Look at this bag. Isn't it this cute? And the color is amazing also. This rose gold almost, but very, very cute. It's a great size as a travel, just to have it in your purse, because it's really tiny, but looks really cute. So far I'm really impressed with the box. I think it's well worth it, $50. I don't think this one was in the box because it's a sample, but so far we got this bag, which is really cute. I like the bag. We got a full-size blush. This one we got also a full-size bronzer, full-size mascara, 2 brushes. This is a face brush, soft focus face brush, and the other one is precision brush. Cute, the 2 of them. And we got this full-size, I believe everything is full-size. This is the lip liner. Also we have this really nice gold eyeliner. Unfortunately I don't have the tip anymore, but you can see the color here, which I think is gorgeous. Then we have this lipstick, the Brilliance Extreme. This one is Lux Shine lipstick, and we also have the matte one. And here are the colors, very bright. We have this eyeshadow. I'm not so sure if this one is an eyeshadow or a highlighter, because I cannot see what it says here. It's the print, it's extremely small, but I would really like this. I believe it's an eyeshadow, which looks like this. I don't know if you can see, but it's really nice. And the last item in here was this BB Advanced Performance cream eyeshadow, SPF 15, this one. So as I said, so far I'm really impressed with the box. I really like the items that came in this mystery box. This was a good one. Everything I got, it's nice, and I will really enjoy using them. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here again with me. Also, let's call again the channel of the day, which is Cute K. Please go ahead and subscribe and support each other. And with this being said, I hope you guys will have a great Saturday, a great weekend, and I'll see you tomorrow with the samples of the week video. Again, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.